LTMW. We are dropping off the BRZ today. This is the first step in the right direction of redoing the BRZ entirely. Needless to say, I'm very excited. Currently discussing the design that we're going to do and going over final details with Long himself. Can't keep you guys in on this conversation, I'm sorry, but you can kind of see what we're doing, but I can't tell you any more details than that. Sorry, dude. But I can tell you it's gonna be sick. Take a good look at it now, because this is the last time you guys are gonna see this car in this color and with those wheels. And pretty much every little piece around this car, it's all gonna be different, even the interior. So this go around, I really want to make a strong effort to really change as much as the car as I can, because I feel like every time I've done something to it, I've upped my game just that much more. This time around, I really need to up my game. And by the title of this video, you know that I'm getting the same kit as before. But this time around, I'm gonna have an authentic Pandem kit. Again, and that kind of gets tied with LTMW and Longtran himself. He's pretty closely tied with Rocket Bunny. That's something that I want to do for myself and go back and repatch my mistakes that I had in the past. It's something I want to do for this car.
It's about to be sick, baby!
Dude, I've been looking at S2Ks for so long. So many of you have been telling me to get one of these cars. Don't you think it's like just too similar to the 86 chassis to one of these builds?
I mean, I'm a Honda guy at heart, so I would actually prefer to have this over a BRZ.
What?
Personally, but dude, keep in mind, I'm 41 years old. You're in your 20s. Like, this is an iconic car to me from back in the day. The fact that it's a front engine, rear drive, manual, like this is a true sports car to me. That's also very cool. I love the 86, but this is what I would lean towards personally.
I can't argue that.
Blows my mind about these cars.
Yeah, that actually looks really massive.
The fender width is really cool. I'd actually like to do a rat rod version of one of these without the fenders on it. They look literally like an open wheel, like roadster style, like.
Well, yeah, look how crazy it looks without the, like how much the wheels hang out with no fenders.
Imagine this like all rusted out with like gussets and stuff.
I have $1.
I don't have a dollar. Son, sorry.
85 cents.
Sorry, son.
There's a Rice Krispie in there that's calling for me.
Oh, you just got an idea from that.
We're gonna go to lunch after
this. Wait, the fan influenced you. The fan on the freeway influenced
you. Yeah, the guy on the freeway was munching some Rice Krispie treats.
Dude, I want a Rice Krispie. It's 85 cents and long stay.
Check the cup holders, brother. I wonder if there's any change in this wrecked car.
No, they got all of it out.
Shit out of luck. Use plastic.
A week ago, we dropped off the RX-7, and look, boys. It's getting prepped for paint. The whole front end of the car is sanded. We were in there earlier looking at it, but I didn't have my camera. But look how, I don't think I've ever seen it that clean before. Just some sand work. Ooh, ooh, baby.
Ooh, like a baby's bottom. Oh, God.
Damn.
It says Pandem USA. Attention, Mr. TJ Hunt.
I need to make sure it's authentic.
Excuse me?
I need to make sure it's authentic.
It's on the phone.
Dude, we're screwing up.
Do you mind if I do the honors here?
Go for it, Nick.
Oh, that's the front.
Oh, that's the mesh grill! So you do get this. But Cal, remember we're like, why don't you buy the real kit? You get the actual mesh grill.
No, this is plastic.
Yeah, I know it's plastic. I saw it.
But do you notice that it looks like the actual Toyota 86 grill? It's a replica.
Nice.
So notice it's actually the Toyota T shape.
What up? How are you, brother? Let me read this. Calvin. Puranto.
Banh mi? Is this a sandwich?
Figure it out, bud.
This is a Vietnamese sandwich? Banh mi?
Cal, figure it out, bud.
Rocket Bunny.
It says 86 version 3. They put it in English.
No.
The real thing, it comes with the real pieces. No more DIY trim.
No, dude. It's all the same shit. Look at this hardware.
This whole entire kit is staying at LT because they're going to be painting the car, and they need to do the bodywork on the kit and do the bodywork on the car, so it makes sense to keep everything here. So when they do install this though, I think we're going to come back here and install it with them, and I'll probably come back maybe in a week and a half or so when there's updated paint on the car, so I can show that to you and reveal the paint color to you, because I know a lot of you guys are still fiending to figure out what it is. Some of you saw this coming and some of you didn't, but a little added surprise to this is I'm actually getting what's called the V3.5 kit. Now what that really means isn't a whole lot, but it is something. So what you get with the V3.5 kit is on the big wing that I'm going to be running on the car, the big GT monster wing, the end plates kits actually have a tandem tag on it that will have my signature on it. So when you order the new kits, to my understanding, you send them a signature and they'll anodize your name on the actual kit itself as a little cool added feature, added flair, a one-of-one kind of design, which I think is pretty neat, so I am excited for that. So this is gonna be the Pandem B3.5 kit. Baby girl, Miley, I love you. Enjoy your vacation. We'll see you back soon. I promise. Not too long. RX-7, who kind of has a name but kind of doesn't have a name, and I'm sorry that I haven't really given you a name quite yet. I'll see you soon. I'm sorry. Baby girls, please don't be mad at me. It's all for the better. Yeah, so what I was saying earlier, it's not that I feel like I owe it to everybody that I need to get a Rock Up Money V3 kit or an authentic one, but it's more so, I want to do it for myself. I want to make up for the past decisions that I've made, and not that this is going to fix anything or not that it's going to make it all go away. For me, I feel like I at least made an effort to acknowledge the fact that I screwed up and kind of just move on from that situation. It was never something I was proud of, and it was never something that I intentionally tried to do. It is something that happened, and it is something that I wanted to fix. Okay, so it's a Wednesday night, and what does a Wednesday night mean? Well, Wednesday nights means I have hockey tonight. It's almost 9 o'clock, and my game is until 10:15. I just fell asleep for the past 2 hours, and I just woke up, and that was like one of the hardest things I've ever had to do. For some reason, I've been extremely tired lately, and I'm really feeling the consequences lately. Rather than ending the vlog now, which I normally do, and not taking you guys to the rink, I think I'm gonna try to set up my GoPro on my helmet and film a little bit of warm-ups, just because I think it'd be pretty fun. So I'm charging this GoPro right now, trying to get this thing ready, and then we're gonna try and mess around with the helmet, see if there's any way I can attach it or get it to stay attached. I'm gonna use one of these GoPro mounts. I don't have any more of the curved ones anymore, so I'm gonna have to use one of the flat ones. It should be fine. Thinking something like this. I mean, like, it would probably work, but like, it probably will fall off. I mean, I'd just do it for warm-ups.
You look like an idiot.
I'm gonna give it a try, but this thing like barely has any surface area to stick because it's the flat GoPro mount, not the curved one, which is like what I need, but I don't have one, so I'm trying to make this one work.
Tell him one more time that it's not the curved one. You said it 40,000 times.
Damn, someone woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning.
I'm sunburned.
I'm gonna give it a shot. No promises.
My shirt's inside out. I just noticed.
Well, you'll get a beer again.
I really want to see what it looks like with the GoPro on. Can we fucking sit? Hopefully it wears the audio. No, I'm just doing it for warm-ups. The BRZ is now gone. I am excited for the direction. I wish I could get...
You didn't let me in on this family hug.
You literally said you didn't want to end the video.
Well, now I do.
No, you can't. Ow! Ow!
The BRZ is gone, which means I have a spot in the garage for the next 2 weeks. It's okay, they're tears of happiness.
I'm sorry you guys have to deal with that. No, you're not ending this.
I'm Sabrina.
You're not, no,
this is
no,
Blue.
that is so cringy.
We'll see you tomorrow.
That is so cringe.
Toodaloo.
No, my God, no.
Don't give it, let him do it.
No.
Let him do it.
God.
And I'm feeling